Morning everybody, welcome to our prepping adventures video. Today I'm on a coastal walk. Plan was to walk out here along the Burnham-on-Sea to Brean beach, go up to the old shipwreck in the old SS Nolan, I believe it was. There is a video on the YouTube channel, and take the drone out over the top of it. Unfortunately, the tide is coming in, so there were no drone footage of the remains of the old sunken ship. What I will do is get the drone out and just fly that up along the beach here. So that's what this film is going to show. This area, a bit of drone flying. So I'll bring you back in a minute. The ship, if I can zoom in, is where that orange buoy is. If I can zoom in on it. Don't know if you can. There it is there. Just about making out. That marks the position of the ship. So if the tide was right out, we could walk right up to it. Right, I'll bring you back once I get a drone out. Right, putting the drone back. Ryan's putting the controller back. Hopefully we got some good footage. But I did forget to charge up the other battery, so it's only from one battery lot. So we'll see what we get. Hopefully that drone footage has come out alright. I forgot to charge up the other battery, so we only got one battery use out of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.